Hi guys, welcome back to Recipes Mania. It's Renee and I am at Crystal's house spending the night tonight. And while she is off getting ready for bed, I am going to be shooting this video for you tonight since I had lost a bet. So I am doing a recipe which will include broccoli and cheese. And I am calling this recipe Cheesy Chicken and Veggie Casserole. So I have preheated the oven to 375 and I now have this casserole dish which I have sprayed with a non-stick spray. And I have some mashed potatoes which Birgit has so graciously made for us. And I tasted them and they were very yummy. So thank you for that, Birgit. And I have now put them into our casserole dish. And I'm going to smooth them out into a nice layer. Now, I have some chicken here, and I'm trying to keep this recipe pretty simple. This is really a good one for if you need a quick dinner for a work night, a school night, whatever it may be. So I have some chicken here and I have used frozen grilled chicken. It's fully cooked, so you just have to heat it up. So I've got it mostly defrosted in the microwave. And you can get the pre-seasoned kind, but I have decided to get the plain one and season it myself. So we are going to add some salt, a little bit of pepper, some garlic powder, a little sprinkle of paprika. And since this is for Crystal and we all know how she likes her spicy food, I have decided to add in a little bit of cayenne pepper for a slight kick. And we are now going to put our chicken into the casserole. And create our second layer. Alright, and here it is so far, looking yummy. And now, this is a cheesy casserole, lots of cheese. We are going to use a can of Campbell's cheddar cheese soup. And layer that on. Alright, so we have a nice cheesy layer. And now we have our broccoli and cheese, and again this was a frozen variety. The frozen broccoli and cheese sauce, I believe it was from Green Giant. And we'll layer that on. Alright, and I'll show you that so far. And just in case you didn't have enough cheese, we have some shredded cheddar cheese. Got some sharp cheddar today. And we're going to do just a little sprinkle on top. And we are ready for our lid. I'll just give you one last peek before we put it in the oven. And I'm going to put a lid on. And we'll put it in our oven. Alright, so it's been about 20 minutes and it is looking good. There it is. Now we're going to scoop a little bit out so you can see what it looks like. Alright, so there is our piece. Looking all cheesy and delicious. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you back here next time on Recipes Mania. Bye guys.